Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will see the definition of relative prime numbers. First of all, we see the definition. Two numbers A and B are said to be relative prime numbers if their GCD is 1, or you can say that only positive integer that divides both A and B is 1. Now we take an example how to check the relative prime numbers. For this, we check whether the number 8 and 15 are relative prime number or not. For this, first we write all factors of 8, or you can say divisor of 8, which are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Now for this 15, we will write all the factors or divisors of 15, which are 1, 3, 5 and 15. In these factors of 8 and factors of 15, or you can say divisor of 8 and divisor of 15, you see that there is a common divisor which is 1. So we can write GCD, greatest common divisor of 8 and 15, is 1, which satisfies the definition of relative prime integers. So we can say that 8 and 15 are relative prime number or co-prime number or mutually prime number. Similarly, if we take another example, 10 and 20, we check either 20 or 10 are relative prime number or not. First we write all factors and divisors of 10 and 20. Here I am going to write all divisors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. And here divisors of 20 or factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. We circle the common factors, which is 1, 2, 5 and 10. Here greatest common factor or greatest common divisor of 10 and 20 is 10. So according to definition, 10 and 20 are not relative prime number, because according to definition, relative prime number are those numbers whose GCD is 1. So here 10 and 20 are not relative prime number. Similarly, we take another example. We check either 17 and 30 are relative prime number or not. We are going to write the factors of 17, which are 1 and 17. Here factors are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. We encircle the common factors, which is only 1. Here we can write GCD, or we can write GCF, greatest common factor, or we can write also SCF, highest common factor of 17 and 30 is 1. So according to definition of relative prime number, 17 and 30 are relative prime number, same as 8 and 15. But 10 and 20 are not relative prime number. So we see again our definition of relative prime number. Now you have seen in examples what are relative prime numbers. In first example, you see that GCD of 8 and 15 is 1. So 8 and 15 is relative prime number. Same as in another example, you have seen that GCD of 17 and 30 is also 1. So 17 and 30 are relative prime integers. Relative prime integers are also known as co-prime integers or mutually prime integers. From example and definition, you can find out the result that two consecutive integers are always relative co-prime or relative prime integers. Suppose GCD of 2 and 3 is 1. 2 and 3 both are consecutive integers. Similarly, GCD of 11 and 12 is also 1, and you are looking at 11 and 12 both are consecutive integers. So any two consecutive integers are always relative integers or relative prime numbers. At the end, I repeat the definition of relative prime integers. The numbers are said to be relative prime integers whose GCD is 1, or we can say that GCF, as GCD stands for greatest common divisor and GCF stands for greatest common factor, or we can say SCF, which stands for highest common factor.